a Forge trial. I'm going to end every one of these Grimoire episodes with a bit of homework, a laboratory, a mini lab, whatever you want to call it. But what are 3 persona-driven segmentations, filters that you can forge in your own Slate environment? And test them against last year's inquiry poll. What were the outcomes? What were the actions your institution took that had a better or larger impact on these personas? Record what patterns you discover, and let me know in the comments how you plan on using these personas at your institution. Is it personalized drip campaigns? Is it segmentation? Is it different calls to actions that are dynamic based off of the persona? I'd love to build a community around this kind of work. So let me know in the comments what you're doing, what you're thinking about, how you're taking what we're doing today, or what you're doing today, and building momentum.